Good afternoon, students. This is Sushil Misra, and I am now with the topic force. So let us see what is force. Force क्या होता है? So whenever two objects are interacting each other, there is a force. Whenever two objects are interacting each other, there will be a force, or you can say whenever a force is a push or pull of an object resulting interaction between them. A force is, in short I am writing, pull or push resulting interaction between them. It means what? कि जब कभी भी कोई दो ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे को इंटरेक्ट करेंगे या एक दूसरे से मिलेंगे, सो देयर विल बी अ फोर्स. देयर विल बी अ फोर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ सपोज one football player wants to kick the ball, or you can say wants to pass the ball to his teammate. Okay, if this player wants to pass this football to his teammate, then what he will do? He will simply kick the ball. He will simply kick the football. Then this football will roll down and come to this player. It means what happened? जब इनका फीट, इस प्लेयर का फीट और इस फुटबॉल के बीच में कांटेक्ट हुआ, इंट्रैक्शन हुआ, तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? फोर्स लगा, जिससे ये बॉल क्या हुआ? रेस्ट पोजीशन से किस पे आया? मोशन पे आया, और ये बॉल यहाँ से इस प्लेयर तक गया. और सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल दिस बॉल इज रोलिंग, and whenever it will reach to here, then this player will stop. He has to stop the ball. So what he will do? He will also apply the force in it. To stop the ball. So basically, what is force? Force is interaction of the two bodies or interaction of the two object, okay, resulting interaction between them, push or pull. Simply what we are doing, if we want to open the door, we are pulling it or we are pushing it. Sometimes if you want to open the door and if you want to drawer, and if you want to close the door, what we are doing? We are pulling and pushing. If you want to lift the book, what we are applying? We are applying force on it. So this is the basic funda of force. So now moving forward, I am asking you one thing. If suppose this is a ground surface, okay, this line shows the ground. Suppose this is a ground surface, okay, and tell me if any object is lying here in rest position. Suppose football only I am taking. Again I am taking football. Okay, suppose this is a football. It is lying here. So tell me, in this football there is a force or not? Or any force is acting on it right now when it is in the rest position or not? Or simply we can define the force when the body is in rest, and if it start moving, it means there is a force. So only a object in motion can have the force, or only a object in rest position can feel the force? Or so let us discuss for this point. Actually here one force is acting. As you know, the gravitational force. You will have broad discussion about the gravitational force in the chapter 11, I think so, in that gravitation chapter. So you should know the earth is attracting the object with its gravitational force. So earth is attracting this ball. It has kept here gravitational with the gravitational force, okay, this, and at the same moment normal force in opposite direction is also acting on it, okay. Normal force of the same magnitude, resulting net force equal to 0. Resulting, if suppose this force is 10 Newton and this is also 10 Newton, but direction is opposite, so if this will be plus, this will be minus, so resultant will be 0. So one thing we should know, the unit of force is what? Newton. Unit of force is what? Newton, denoted by capital N, denoted by capital N. So now our next topic is what? Balanced force and unbalanced force. Balanced force and unbalanced force. So let me rub this part. So as you know, the force is of two type. So first is what? Balanced force. Okay, balanced force. Balanced force means when the applied force or the resultant force is equal to 0. When applied force and the resultant force is what? 0. That kind of force must be known as balanced force. That kind of force must be known as balanced force. So here in short I am writing resultant force must be equal to 0. अगेन वी शुड हैव वन एग्जाम्पल. हम लोग को कोई ना कोई तो एग्जाम्पल से देखना पड़ेगा. तो आप लोग देखते होंगे कि जनरली एक ठग ऑफ वॉर होता है जिस पे रस्सी को पकड़ के दो टीम क्या करती है, उसको खींचती है. एक टीम अपने तरफ खींचती है, दूसरी टीम अपने तरफ खींचती है. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि दोनों टीम क्या करती है, इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. दो क्या करते हैं कि सेम फोर्स अप्लाई करते हैं, जिससे वो जो रस्सी होती है, जो रोप होता है, वो वहीं पे रह जाता है. So it is because of the balanced force, because the same amount of force are acting from the both ends but in opposite direction. It means what? In case of balanced force, the position does not change. Position of object does not change. It will remains as it is. It will remains as it is. Okay. So and does the shape changes? Does the shape changes is in case of balanced force? Yes, if you take one balloon, if suppose this is a balloon, okay, and if one force is acting from this side and another force is acting from this side, same amount of force. So what he will do, the both force will simply change the shape of this balloon. अगर आप दोनों साइड से बैलून को प्रेस करेंगे तो बैलून क्या होगा, उसका पोजीशन चेंज नहीं होगा, लेकिन उसका शेप क्या होगा, चेंज हो जाएगा. वो क्या हो जाएगा, उसका शेप चेंज हो जाएगा. सो दिस विल बी चेंजिंग द शेप ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. सो दिस इज बैलेंस्ड फोर्स. एंड नाउ द सेकेंड पॉइंट इज व्हाट? अनबैलेंस्ड फोर्स. Unbalanced force. Okay. So what is unbalanced force? When the resultant force is what? Greater than 0. When the resultant or applied force must be greater than 0, that kind of force must be known as unbalanced force. So in short, resultant RF, resultant force must be greater than 0. Then and for changing the state of the object, we have to apply unbalanced force. If any object is in rest position and if we want to make it in motion, then we have to apply unbalanced force. जब तक उस पर unbalanced force नहीं लगेगा, ऑब्जेक्ट अपने प्लेस को चेंज नहीं करेगा. वो रेस्ट पे है तो रेस्ट पे ही रहेगा. उसको मोशन में लाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, अनबैलेंस फोर्स अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, जो कि हमने पहले ही देखा कि अगर कोई फुटबॉल ग्राउंड पे लाई कर रहा और अगर उसको एक प्लेयर ने किक किया, मतलब क्या किया, उसने ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाया, तो बॉल क्या करती है, रोल डाउन करके अपनी पोजीशन भी चेंज करती है. एंड इवन विद द अनबैलेंस फोर्स वी कैन चेंज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. We can change the direction. If we are kicking the ball towards the north side, it means the ball will move towards the north, and if some other player will kick from there to the east side, then it will move towards east side. It means what? The ball will change its direction due to unbalanced force. So don't be confused in balanced force and in unbalanced force. I think so this is enough from this video, and we will have next video for contact, non-contact and effect of the force on the object. Thank you.